In this video, I'll be showing you 6 different MacBook apps for productivity and customization for your MacBook. Starting with the loop. First, let me show you how loop works. So I just kept a shortcut through which I can just, you know, keep wherever I want window, and it actually works very good because Apple does not provide this. You gotta click on the green thing and the thing. So this helps in rearranging your windows very good. So let's go to the app and let's check out the loop settings. So firstly, this is the loop settings. You can unlock different icons once you do so I normally show you all the settings that I keep. You can just follow the whatever I keep. This is the radial menu, this is the preview, and yeah, this is behavior of it. I'm just gonna show you what all settings I did set up, so it just helps you all. And then I go to keybinds. I just kept my mouse thing. You can keep whatever keybind you want. You can just check it out. I'm just showing you everything that I can. You can just slow down the pace of the video and check it out. And these are the advanced settings that I have. And yeah, that's it. You can also exclude some apps if you want, but I normally don't keep them. So that is a loop. Normally in Windows, I know if you press Alt tab you just get this one, but in Mac you don't get it. So for this I use an app which is known as Alt tab, and it actually works very good. All right, let's go to the Alt tab settings. All right, this is the settings of the Alt tab. I'm just gonna show you. It's not a big deal. You have some pro options, but the free version is everything you need because I use it. So this is the settings that I use for the Alt tab. You can just slow down the pace of the video and check it out. And yep, I just use it because it's just a small shortcut and it actually helps. All right, let's go for the next app, which is Dock Door. In this app you also have the Alt tab feature, but I feel Alt tab actually works better than Dock Door, so that's why. So Dock Door helps in seeing the previews of this app. Like if you keep on the Chrome, you can see what is open, and when I go to OPS you can see the preview of the app. Let's go to the Dock Door setting. It has a lot of customization, so I'm just gonna show as fast as possible so y'all can check it out. So there we go. I'm just gonna show as fast as possible, so I will prefer y'all to slow down the video and check it out because there's a lot of settings for this. And yeah, I try my best to get the settings which are actually useful for everyone. And yeah, you can turn on the command plus tab as you can see here, but it's up to y'all. It's your wish if you want to use one app. It's up to you, but I like the Alt tab better. And yeah, don't even keep dock locking. And this is appearance settings. Just gotta show you all fast. Just slow down the video and just check out the settings if you wanna, or you can just play with the settings as you want. These are all the settings that I'm showing y'all. And yep, if you go then advanced settings also, and that are the settings of Dock Door. Now let's move on to the next app, which is Hidden Bar. As you can see the top of my screen, there's something arrow. You can have different sections in this. When you right click, you can see there are 2 sections. These are the section which you can hide, like you can drag into it. Normally I don't have much right now, so yeah, just right click again to make it normal. So yeah, that's the app which I want to see. Whenever I click on left click the arrow, when I right click the arrow, it shows all the hidden ones also. Now let's go to the next app, Launchy. This app is actually so useful, bro. So you can just keep any whatever you want as shortcut, and when you press the shortcut, you see that I can just select whatever I want with my mouse or with my keyboard and open that app instantly. So you can keep any app and it just opens that app instantly. If it's opened or not open, it doesn't matter. You just click on the shortcut and that pops up, and select the app that you want to open, and it's so smooth. All right, now let's go for the settings of the Launchy. So I'm just this is the settings of the launch. I'm just showing you as fast as possible. And yeah, you can just I selected this as my shortcut, and this is the wheel launch. You can select how many apps you want. You can add more apps and customize it as you want, and this is how I customized it. Just gonna show you fast, and you can keep various shortcuts also. So that's the app of Launchy. Now coming for the last app, as you can see, the Notch, bro. And yeah, we can customize it by adding this app known as the Boring Notch. And yeah, this has a lot of settings, and let me just show you the settings, and you can just play the song. I just kept the date, and yeah, that's all. So these are the settings you can show whenever you like increase the volume. It shows that you increase whenever you connect to a device. It shows there whenever you turn on the power. It shows there. And also you can have a shelf system. I normally don't keep it on, but yeah, you can enable the shelf and keep it for whatever you want. You can select from airdropping to system share menu. For this I have a separate app which I'll be showing up in the next part, but yeah, let me just show you real quick the Boring Notch settings. You can just slow down the pace of the video and see these all apps are actually very useful once you start using them, and it actually improves the way you use your Mac. And it has a lot of settings. Calendar just links with your Google account. You can do that, or your Apple Calendar. And yep, these are the settings of the Boring Notch that I use. So those were the apps that I shown in this video, is the 6 apps which will help you in productivity and customization of your MacBook. In the next video we'll be bringing more 6 apps, and it's gonna be endless parts of this MacBook apps. And if you want any other type of videos regarding MacBook, just let me know. That's all for this video. See you all in next wonderful video. Peace out.